How to change your Facebook password. To change your password on Facebook, if you are already logged in, click Account. It's in the upper right corner of the window. Select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Click Security and Login. It's in the upper left part of the window. Scroll down and click Edit next to change password. Enter your current password in the top field. Type a new password in the next field. Retype the new password in the bottom field. Click Save Changes. Your Facebook password has been changed. If you're logged in but have forgotten your password, you can watch this video. The link is in the description.